Dear children, kindly take out Standard 6 Social Science, Part 3 Civics, Chapter 7 Urban Administration. Open page number 254. Children, we already read the municipal corporation is responsible for the administration of cities, towns, and villages. Now we will read composition of municipal corporations, responsibilities of municipal corporations, sources of income. Towns and cities are large areas and are thickly populated. People residing in cities pay taxes and in return they demand good civic amenities like drinking water, sanitation, regular supply of electricity, transport and communication facilities, healthcare, etc. In cities, these are the responsibilities of local government to provide these facilities to citizens. Children, there are types of urban local government. Urban local government is divided into three types. 1. Nagar Panchayat, 2. Municipalities or municipal council, and 3. Municipal corporations. The urban local government in our country comprises Nagar Panchayat, municipality and municipal corporation. Though it varies from state to state. Generally, municipal corporations govern cities with a population of more than 10 lakhs. Municipal councils take care of cities with less than 10 lakhs but more than 20,000 people, and Nagar Panchayat takes care of urban places with less than 20,000 people. Now we will see Nagar Panchayat. What is Nagar Panchayat? First of all, we'll see. Nagar Panchayat is a setup for an area which is in the process of changing from rural to urban. This is called a transactional area. People in such places are in the process of moving away from agriculture to service and industry based occupation. Next, we'll see composition. What is composition? A Nagar Panchayat is elected for a term of 5 years. The members of the Nagar Panchayat are elected by the voters of the region. The member has, has to be above the age of 21 years. The population of the concerned town or city determines the numbers of members in the Nagar Panchayat. Now we will discuss the functions one by one. 1. It provides civic amenities like drinking water, electricity, etc. Number 2. It opens schools, parks, and dispensaries. Number 3. It also constructs and maintains roads. 4. It keeps records of births and deaths. Children, next we will see sources of income. The Nagar Panchayat derives its income from grants from the state government and from taxes. Next is municipal council or Nagar Palika or municipality. Municipal councils, also known as municipal committee or municipality, is a local self governing body in smaller towns and cities. Municipal council is the local organization in towns and cities that provide services for the people. See children, Nagar Palika or municipality. Composition. All citizens of India who are 18 years of age and above can vote in municipal election. The candidate who wishes to contest the elections must be 21 years of age and above. The number of members in the committees are 15 to 16. depending upon the population of the area. Some seats are reserved for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, and one third of the total number of seats are reserved for women. For the purpose of elections of municipal council, the city is divided into a number of wards. One member is elected from each ward. The members of municipality are elected for the term of 5 years. Municipality can be dissolved earlier if it does not function according to the rules laid down. In such a case, new members have to be elected within 6 months so that the term can be completed. All those members who are elected directly by the residents of the city are the elected representative of the people. They are called councillors. Some members are nominated for having special knowledge or experience of municipal administration. They are known as aldermen. It is headed by the municipal commissioner who is appointed by the state government. Office bearers of a municipality. The members of the municipality elect a chairperson who presides over the meetings that are held in the absence of the chairperson. Municipal corporation. A municipal corporation is the local self government in large cities. The bigger city also gets divided into number of wards with one member elected from each ward called the councillor. The number of seats of the municipal corporation depends upon the size of the population. All adult citizens above the age of 21 can contest the elections. See children, municipal corporation in Mumbai. Next we will discuss about composition. The elected member of the municipal corporation elect a mayor and a deputy mayor for a 1 year term. The mayor is the most important person of the city, is sometimes referred to as the first citizen. The mayor presides over the meetings of the corporation and looks after its work. The members also elect some experienced and respectable people of the city to the corporation. They are known as aldermen. The MLAs and MPs of that area also form a part of the corporation. Some seats are reserved for members belonging to the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. One third of the total seats are reserved for women. Next is permanent officials of the corporation. The municipal corporation has a chief executive officer known as municipal commissioner. Children, turn the page. The state government appoints this person. The chief executive officer also acts as a link between the state government and the municipal corporation. He implements the laws framed by the corporation. The officer in charge of various departments like health, education, engineering, sanitation, etc. assist him. A municipal corporation is elected for a term of 5 years. It can be dissolved earlier if it does not function according to the rules laid down or is not able to function effectively. In such a case, new members have to be elected within the 6 months so that the term can be completed. Okay children, thank you.